Spot trading seems to be one of the easiest and most liable type of trade all crypto traders should embark on. Reason is that you can never get liquidated while trading spot. Today, we are going to be looking at what spot trading really is, why you should use Bybit spot trading, and how efficiently spot trading works on Bybit. My name is Michael Anago. You're welcome to Inside Crypto YouTube channel. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you have not, and leave the notification bell on. Spot trading simply means a crypto trading method where you buy and sell real crypto assets against their trading pairs. For you to get more understanding, let's take a look at this example. Frank bought a car with his money. He has the right to resell the car at any time, give it out, or even smash it into pieces as he wants. But let's say Frank didn't actually buy the car, he rather rented it. Now, he will be given some conditions on how to use it and when to return this car back. In crypto, Frank buying the car is said to be spot trade because it actually holds the real asset. One good thing about spot trading is that you get to hold the real asset, not the visual one that is based on contract. Bybit is one of the biggest and the best exchange in the world with over 10 million trusted users. I will drop a link to an article about a Bybit background if you would like to know more about Bybit exchange. Bybit is currently celebrating hitting 10 million users worldwide, and they are waiving all spot trading fees till further notice. This means that presently you can spot trade on Bybit with zero fees. This still is another reason for you to trade on Bybit and leave those exchanges that are charging you too much money to trade with them. Bybit spot trading is very user friendly and easy to navigate. And also, Bybit is also giving $5 for free for each first time user. How to get this $5 is very simple. Just use our link on the description below to create a Bybit account and make your first time deposit of a minimum $10, and you will be qualified for this bonus. Now I will share my phone screen to show you how you can easily trade on Bybit. First thing to do is just simply go and download the Bybit app if you don't have it, and if you want to register, make sure you use the code 23307 to register. Then, if you don't have a Bybit app, simply go to Google Play Store or your App Store to download one. Let's head over to Bybit. For my Bybit, so this is the homepage, Bybit homepage, where you can see the coins that are trading on Bybit. You can also click and see the gainers. You can also see here and see the new crypto. Also here you have spot zero fees. That means that you can trade with zero fees on Bybit. The minimum to trade on Bybit is, to get started, I would recommend you start with at least $10. At least $10. It might actually be more, but at least it must be $10. There are two ways you can actually deposit this money into your Bybit account. You can actually deposit from other exchanges, or you can actually buy through the P2P exchange. You know, for us in Nigeria here, we can actually only buy from P2P. You cannot actually buy with your card. So if you head over to P2P, there are 4 coins you can actually buy on Bybit P2P. You can buy USDT, you can buy BTC, you can buy Ethereum, and you can buy USDC. They are very easy to buy. Just anyone you see here, click on buy. For example, this person selling Moha or Express Trade is actually selling at 736.95, and he's selling from 450 worth to 100,000 naira worth. Click on buy and input the amount you want to buy, but it will range from 450 to 100,000. You can actually choose, if you want to buy higher, you can actually choose the one what people are selling higher. For example, we have Wowdos is selling from 5,000 to 150,000. So this you can actually buy, pay the buyer, and your crypto will be sent directly to your Bybit account. Then after this buying, you can now head over to spot trading, which we are going to be talking about today. So on Bybit spot trading, like I said before, it's very easy to use. So it's very user friendly. First thing you are going to see is you see buy and sell your crypto. From here you can actually select any coin you want to buy. For example, I want to buy TRX. Okay, as you can see, TRX is paired with USDT and USDC. So if I have USDC, I can actually buy TRX with it. If I have USDT, I can actually buy TRX with it. For example, let's go to Bitcoin, BTC. As you can see, BTC is actually paired with many crypto assets. We have BTC against USDT, BTC against USDC, BTC against DAI, Algo against BTC, Bit against BTC, dot against BTC. So this means you can actually use Bit or Polkadot to buy BTC on Bybit. You can actually use Algo, you can actually use DAI, you can actually use LOTC, you can actually use Mana to buy BTC on Bybit. Like I say here, you have to select any coin you want to buy, be it SROP, it will appear, be it Ethereum, you can see, and all the crypto asset is actually paired with, or what you can actually use to buy this crypto. Then also we have the limit order. This is actually the limit order. You know, for you to trade on Bybit, there are two main ways you can actually trade this spot trading. You have the limit order and the market order. So in this limit order, basically what you do is actually placing your order. For example, I would like to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at 19,000, but I would like to buy Bitcoin at $17,000. So basically what I would do is just place my 17,000 here. Okay, I want to buy with the whole money I have, and click on buy. Once I click on buy, now what happens is that my trade will now appear in order. This means that it is just there waiting for the price of Bitcoin to actually go down to 17,000 before it begins. So the same goes with other coins. I also want to show you something about this. So for example, this is $17,000. You place your order, I want to buy Bitcoin, you confirm. Then another thing that once you go to your asset, your spot trading asset, now what happens is that here I actually have $5 on my account, but it's now showing that the available balance is 0.00 something. That I don't actually have that money. Now that money will now come to frozen, showing that it's actually tied to an asset, tied to buy an asset at a particular price. Just that, and it keeps saying that my wallet balance is $5, just that it's frozen, showing that my one trade is actually on there. So I'm not actually losing my money, or don't actually get confused that your money is actually frozen. No, your money is just frozen because your one trade is actually on. So until I cancel this trade now, then I'll have my available balance as still $5. So that is it. So the same thing also goes with selling. You can actually sell, set a price. For example, I have Bitcoin and I want to sell my Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at 19,000. Maybe I want to sell it at $22,000. So I just set my price order, click on the amount of BTC I want to sell, and click on sell. This limit order just holds on your asset till it gets to the price you want. So now let's go back to the market order. So what market order currently does is that it actually buys the assets you want immediately at the best price possible. So if I want to buy Bitcoin at, for example, I want to buy Bitcoin at 19,000. Once I click all, so I click on buy BTC, it automatically buys immediately at the best price possible. So that is how the market price and the limit price differ. The market price buys the coin immediately at the best price, while limit order waits for your own price to actually buy. So that is the main difference between the two. So the same thing goes with sell. If you want to sell it, it sells at the best. Market order sells at the best possible price that is there in the market, on Bybit market. Another thing I would like to show you is the chart. Here we have the chart where you can actually read the chart if you would like to read the chart. Also, we have the order book. So here are the green, this place you are seeing the green light. There are the buyer's price. This is actually all those who actually want to buy Bitcoin. For example, we have the highest order here is at 19,055. So many people actually predict to buy Bitcoin at $20,057. Why the red light is actually showing those selling. So this is the order book. We have the buy and the sell. Also, we have if you go to trade, you'll see the recent trade that was carried on Bybit. So we have here that but that is 13:35:32 seconds. That is by 1:35. Somebody actually bought Bitcoin at 19,069. The quantity he bought was 0.0275. So here shows you the accurate order of what is actually happening on Bybit. Also here we go to info. Bybit actually gives a kind of info about the coin. So it tells you more about Bitcoin, what you should know, and when it started, just everything, a kind of brief introduction about the coin you are buying. For example, let's take a look at let's take a look at Solana. So if you go to info, you can actually see info about Solana. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology. So you can actually go to see small info about Solana, when it actually started, the total supply, the circulating supply, and everything. So here we also have the, like I said before, the chart. You can select the time frame you want to read the chart. If you can actually read the chart very well, you can go to 4 hours, you can go to 1 hour, you can go to 15 minutes, or you can actually go to 1 month and see what has been happening on Bitcoin chart since it was actually launched on Bybit. Okay, so that is it for the chart. So guys, I think this is it for the spot trading. So another thing is that if you like to use the spot trading board to trade, it's also good. You can actually use that one. That is it. And also, if you deposit any money, it actually comes to your spot wallet immediately. So guys, this is it for how to navigate spot trades easily on your mobile phone. It's very easy to do. Like I said before, you can search for any assets you want here and pick those assets. Just type the name of the assets, it can actually appear immediately. Or you can actually go to markets here. Here is the list of all the coins in Bybit. You can actually spot trade. Just go here, pick anyone you want. But to make it more easier, just go here and just type the name of the asset, and it will easily appear. And you place your order, both market or the limit order. So the limit order is actually very it's very advisable to use, because then you can actually get to set the price you want to enter a trade. It's very actually very nice. Here also, I forgot to mention something. Here you can actually see assets, the asset you have to buy these coins with. Guys, this is it for the spot trading video. I hope you actually enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any question on the comment section. I will see to that. And lastly, I would like to tell you that we are actually holding a training section for newbies in the crypto space. If you'd like to know more about cryptocurrency, how to trade efficiently on Bybit, simply fill the form that I will drop on the description, and we are going to contact you to add you to the group. It is actually free of charge. Just make sure you are actually dedicated to learn. So guys, make sure you like this video and leave the notification bell on if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.